Hello and welcome. We have our question on the board. 4 raised to the power x equals 24, and we have to find the value of x. So at this point, you can pause the video, try to solve the question, and let me know your answer in the comment section. Or you can just go ahead and just follow along as I solve. Okay? Solution. 4 raised to the power x equals 24. Right, so the first thing we're going to do here in order to solve for the value of x would be to supply logarithm to both sides of the equation. So we have log of 4 raised to the power x equals log of 24. And our log rule states that when we have log of b raised to the power a, it is the same thing as a log b. So this applies to the left-hand side of our equation. So the left-hand side now becomes x log 4. And that will be equal to log of 24. Now, let us break down 24 into the numbers that can multiply together to give us 24. 2 here will give us 12, 2 here is 6, 2 here is 3, 3 here is 1. So 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8 times 3 will give us 24. Okay. So now we have x log 4 is equal to log of 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Okay. Now our log rule states that when we have log of a times b, it is the same thing as log of a plus log of b. This rule is going to apply to the right-hand side of our equation. So now we have x log of 4 equals log 2 plus log 2 plus log 2 plus log 3. Now, the next thing would be to divide through by log 4. Divide both sides by log 4, and that's what we have, log 4. Log 4 will cancel log 4 on the left-hand side, and now we just have x all by itself. So what we need to do is go ahead and simplify the right-hand side. 4 is the same thing as 2 squared, so instead of writing log of 4, we're going to write log of 2 raised to the power 2. And from our log rule from earlier, log 2 raised to the power 2 is the same thing as 2 log 2. Okay, so now log 4 is going to be equal to 2 log 2. Okay, so let's just bear that at the back of our minds. Now what we have is log of 2, and we're going to write them as standalone fractions divided by 2 log 2 plus log of 2 divided by 2 log 2 plus log 2 divided by 2 log 2 plus log 3 divided by 2 log 2. Now log 2's cancel out, log 2's cancel out, log 2's cancel out. And what do we have left? We have half plus half plus half plus log 3 divided by log 2. From our log rule, we know that log of a over log of b is equal to log of a base b, right? So what we have left becomes half of log of 3 base 2. Right, so if we add up the 3 halves that we have, will give us 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log of 3 base 2. Now, if we can factor out 1 over 2, and if we do, factor out 1 over 2 becomes 3 plus log of 3 base 2. Now this is our final answer for the value of x. Now, we're not going to stop here. We're going to go ahead and verify this value of x just to confirm that it is correct. So now to verify, we need to plug in this value of x into our first equation, which is the question. 4 raised to the power x equals 24. I believe it's 24. Yeah. So 4 raised to the power x equals 24. So let's plug in the value of x. Now we have 4 raised to the power half of 3 plus log of 3 base 2. Now the task is to find if the left-hand side is going to be equal to the right-hand side, which is 24. Now 4 is the same thing as 2 squared times 2 times 1 over 2 bracket 3 plus log of 3 base 2. So if that's going to be equal to 24, the 2 will cancel 2 here, and so we have 2 raised to the power 3 plus log of 3 base 2. Now from our rule of indices, a raised to the power m plus n is the same thing as a raised to the power m times a raised to the power n. This rule is going to apply to the left-hand side of our equation. And so now we have 2 raised to the power 3 times 2 raised to the power the log of 3 base 2. Okay? Now, our logarithm rule states that if we have b raised to the power the log of a base b, it is the same thing as a, right? So we're going to substitute this in this section. So now we have 2 raised to the power 3 times 3, and we're going to see if that's going to be equal to 24. 2 raised to the power 3 is 8 times 3. We see that 8 times 3 is 24. And our right hand side as well is 24. That means our value of x, which is half into bracket 3 plus log of 3 base 2, is the correct answer. So if you learned something new today, make sure that you like this video, share this video, let me know what you think in the comment section, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care and bye-bye.